This is a $300 question. $300.
They also believe 28% of that crowd said that. Were you leaning towards anything in particular?
I was leaning towards adverbs, actually. You know, it's the direction of how the verb was being used. That's a pretty strong number.
Well, the audience isn't always right. Often they are, and they may be right this time.
Just to be sure, let's start 50-50.
Okay. Computer, please randomly take away 2 of the wrong answers.
Own. Own. Loser.
Verbs in action. Jump, run, kick. But an adverb, like an adjective, describes the action. My gut tells me to go with A, adverbs.
I'll remind you again, you do have another lifeline.
Yeah, I sure do. Use all 3 of these things in a $300 question.
It's not
$300 question.
You should never.
I can't believe I'm getting jammed about that.
It's there to help you.
Oh, my wife, Terry.
You want Terry? Okay, we're going to get Terry on the line.
His mother-in-law is a teacher, a grammar teacher.
Hi, Terry.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Meredith from Millionaire.
Hi, Meredith.
Hi. I'm here with your husband, Drew. And he's in a bit of a jam right now. He's voting for $500, and he just can't get this question. He really needs your help.
Okay.
Okay, Drew, you have 30 seconds, and your time starts now.
Hi, this is an English type question.
Wasting time.
What parts of speech are usually classified as being in the active voice or passive voice? Adverbs or verbs?
Adverbs or verbs? What?
Adverbs or verbs?
Hurry up, on it.
Adverbs or verbs?
English speech.
Adverbs or verbs? It's in the passive
Adverbs or
voice.
verbs?
Adverbs or verbs? Adverbs or verbs?
She just repeated them. She said adverbs or verbs.
Adverbs or verbs?
What can I do? Adverbs. I really just had a gut for that.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Drew. No, it is not verbs. Can be both passive and
Oh, what a loser. Good try.
sorry.
Go with the audience next time. 75% of the audience said C or B. 75% said B.